In this quick video guide, I want to show you where you can find free 3D models with the license CC0, which means that are totally copyleft. You can use it for any project. And these are from our website called 3dmodelcc0.com. Now you will find the 3D model and also textures, unwrapped maps here and textures. And of course, you can create the material from this. And you will find the OBJ format in this case, and you can use it, for example, in Blender or other 3D software. Now, this is the website here. If you want to find it, you can look for on the web. You can look for CC0 models 3D, and this is the website right here. So click here and open it up, and you can scroll down for all the information about the website or the author and so on. And you can see that you can use these 3D models for Cinema 4D, Blender, 3ds Max, Unity, Unreal Engine, and basically any 3D modeling software that supports OBJ, and I think that they all do. So models, this is the page for the 3D models. Let's go, for example, here in furniture and home. You can see there are a lot of props here and assets that you can use for architecture, interior design, or maybe you need to develop a game or something like that. So all you need to do is select the model that you need, scroll down here. You can see that you have the textures, 4K, and the size, and the triangles and so on. And here you can see also the license and so on. So you click on download and you will find, well, I've selected this one here, which is a AC Unit Outdoor. Download it, and again, it's going to be saved in your download folder. You will find a RAR file that you will need to extract using 7-zip or another software, and then you can open these up in a any 3D software that you have installed. And in my case here, I'm using Blender because I think this is an excellent 3D modeling tool, and it's open source, so it's also free. And you can go here, import, go to the OBJ format, select the model and say import, and there you go. Now we can also change here the visualization. All we need to do here now is to create the material, apply the textures. But this is not the video where we're gonna explain this, but you can check other video guides and also courses in our channel. Also, please subscribe and join if you want to support us, and write your comments, which could be questions or suggestions for other users, anything that can be helpful. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.